Hi everyone, quick nature moment with Gabe. If you're ever walking out here in the winter in the woods, you'll notice it's a very different environment than the summer, and certain things tend to stand out. While there may not be as many animals active and moving around to see, the plants are largely still here, and you'll notice the trees in particular, and you may notice some holes in the trees, like we see right here. If you ever see a nice big rectangular type hole like you see up here, that's from a pileated woodpecker, the largest woodpecker we have here in Canada and across the North American continent at present. They make these enormous excavations looking for bugs to eat, and they really just have the most powerful, amazing chisel-like beaks. They're about the size of a crow, these guys, and they are looking for bugs. But the cool thing about this tree in particular is that it's actually still alive. Usually a tree that is being visited regularly by pileated woodpeckers is dying. There'll be a lot of, it's because they can hear and smell bugs inside of it. I see, as long as you still see that growth right at the top, you know the tree is still alive. Those green needles let us know that this tree is surviving, and in fact the woodpeckers might be doing it a bit of a service, eating the bugs that are trying to eat it alive. So these woodpeckers might actually be making the tree healthier on some level. But when the trees receive this many holes, it's likely on its way out either way. But regardless, if you see this, you know that pileated woodpeckers have been in the neighborhood.
What you filming?
Welcome to Nature Walks with Gabe. There's a beautiful female pileated woodpecker. That lily spotted. Just over there.
How do you know she's a female?
She has a black malar stripe. So in pileated woodpeckers, they both have a bright red cap. That's actually what the name pileated means in Latin, is a cap. But there's a stripe that comes down from the beak around towards the bottom of their chin, kind of where their jaw would end if they were humans. And in the females, that's black, and the males, there's a red stripe there. So it's the female. And she's licking up little bugs that she's been just hammering into this tree. You can see the wood flying. Watching back to the video later, I could see that the wood that was flying was actually her clearing out areas she had already excavated earlier. She took such amazing care as she was feeding, and you can see her really reaching up and craning her neck to find any little holes that there might be insect larvae or kind of dormant ant colony members hiding within this old, quite rotten tree. It was interesting that she's about the same distance off the ground as the tree you see in the previous clip. And this tree is clearly a lot more dead than the tree then too. And this became really clear when she went around to the other side of the tree. After attacking on one side, probably whatever larvae were there retreated further into the tree. So then she moved around to the other side to get them from that side. But as she did so, she started making a new hole, and you could really see how her beak was tearing the tree apart on that side. She's so flexible, and you can see her taking these pauses. They are so she can get a better angle and double check to see where there might be an insect crawling around, and to make sure she's going to attack from a way that's going to be most effective to open up a space for her to lick up the bugs that are in there. But also, it's to give her brain case a break, so her whole head can actually cool down a little bit, because it creates a lot of energy and force whenever she's attacking the tree.
Let's see where she is relative to us.
Wow, that was a really cool, unexpected, awesome little nature moment with that woodpecker. That's amazing. Remember to find joy and wonder wherever you are today. Get outside and enjoy the winter, because it's a blessing for us here in Canada. We'll see you next time.